Thanks for choosing Rise Underfloor Heating. We want to make fitting your new underfloor heating system as simple as possible, so we've created this easy how-to video to talk you through the steps you'll need to complete your installation. Remember to keep your instruction manual to hand so you can refer to it throughout your project. Firstly, you will need to make sure you have everything you need for your project. You will need the correct size heating system, a thermostat and an RCD. It's important that you buy the correct size system for your project. To make sure it's correct, calculate the floor area in meters squared by multiplying the width by the length. Remember to leave a 10 cm margin around the perimeter of your room and deduct the area of fixed furniture, as the mat will only be laid in open spaces. We advise that you make a detailed drawing of your space so you know where everything needs to go. Your floor surface needs to be solid and completely smooth and flat. Install a flush-mounted deep electrical box where the cold leads from the heating system and the wiring for the thermostat can be connected. If installing in a bathroom, make sure the box is installed outside the room and not in the wet environment. All wiring should be chased into the wall and protected by conduit or trunking. In most instances, a 13 amp spur is enough. It's important to test the resistance before you start the installation, and again before fitting the final floor covering. A Part P qualified electrician will test this for you. Remember to fill in your test readings at the back of your manual, as this will act as your guarantee. Your detailed drawing should show where you need to fit your heating system. Use chalk to map out your plan on the subfloor, ensuring the floor is clean and free from dust or debris. Starting with the cold lead as near to the electrical spur as possible, roll the mat away from you to the end of the area. Cut across the mesh backing. Make sure to never cut the cable. Rotate the mat and roll back towards you. Continue this process until the area is covered. Never join the heating element wires or cross the cold leads underneath or on top of the mats. If more than one mat is required, they must be connected to and begin at the thermostat. The floor sensor can be found within the thermostat box and is used to read the floor temperature during programming. Install the sensor in between the heating cables, making sure it does not touch the heating cable. Avoid hot water pipes, drafty areas such as external doorways, and make sure the sensor tip is not placed under an element wire. Test the system first and then cover the mat with a thin, suitable flexible levelling compound, ensuring the heating cable is fully covered. Ask your supplier to help if you're unsure what you should be using. Now a Part P qualified electrician should make the final connection. Cover your floor using a suitable flexible tile adhesive and lay the floor tiles as normal. Leave all adhesives to dry naturally and wait for 2 weeks before turning the heating system on. Once fully cured, increase the floor temperature at a rate of 1 degree per day until the desired temperature is reached. And you're done. Thanks for choosing Rise Underfloor Heating Systems. Please remember to fill in the back of your manual and attach your receipt, as this will act as your guarantee.